Hey, curl friends, it's about that time of year again. We gonna celebrate our fellow big hair baddie and her 21st birthday. But first, I'ma need y'all to be quiet. We gonna wake up our curl friend to breakfast in bed with a mimosa because she just turned 21 blackjack year. I'ma need y'all to make some mother noise. So 21 is one of those milestone years. Do y'all remember when y'all turned 21? Because I turned 21 in Vegas, baby. I went and flew out to Vegas and got a penthouse suite in MGM Studios and turned it up with me and my friends and my sisters, and it was a ball. But she got like a little calm celebration, breakfast in bed, because she a good girl. But me, I was dropping it like it was high in Vegas clubs. Now, as her favorite rich auntie that's also a hairdresser, I'm gonna always give her the birthday gift of a hairdo. So I already sewed in this hair, and if you didn't see that video, make sure you go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and make sure you watch all my videos and stalk me, boo. So step 1, get you a spray bottle, put about 2 ounces of water in there. Then you're gonna take your main magic elixir that you order from Cocaknotz.com because you smart and you want long hair, and you're gonna put about 15 to 25 drops in your spray bottle. This little bottle has about 1,500 drops, so you're good. So once you put the drops in, you're going to shake your bottle up, and then you're going to section out your sewing. You're going to have to expose your braids and your scalp. Now it's going to be hard to see her scalp because baby got long, thick, big hair because she's been using these formulas for some time, and yeah, her hair is like that. So once you expose the braids, then you're going to get the spray bottle that you have the elixir mixture in, and you're going to spray the braids, spray the scalp. Don't worry if you get some of the water on the hair extensions. You can just go over it with a blow dryer on low to dry your hair extensions, but you're really focusing on the braids and the scalp. This is going to instantly hydrate your braids, because if you have dry hair, your hair won't grow. So you have to make sure your hair is moist. And the only way to moisten your hair is with soft and conditioned water. And that's where that elixir comes in. After you watered your hair, because you understand that your hair is a plant and a tree and it needs water, then you're going to seal in that moisture with a growth drops or a scalp therapy drops if your hair is itchy, or if you like me, you're going to do both, because you're going to take care of that itch and you're going to make sure you stimulate that growth. So you're going to put that on the braids and the scalp. Try not to get this oil on your hair extensions, because we don't want our hair extensions way down, because we paid a lot of money for this and we need this blowing in the wind. After you do all that, then you can go on to styling the hair extensions. You see, you have been taking care of hair extensions and somebody else's hair all these years and neglecting your natural hair. And that's why your natural hair is short to your chin and it look like a Brussels sprout when you put it in a ponytail. But if you want long, thick old hair, you're going to have to learn how to hydrate your hair with soft and conditioned water, because you can't use plain water. And then you're going to have to learn how to seal in that moisture with the oil. You do this routine almost on a daily basis between your shampoos, and baby, you're going to retain so much length. You're going to see so much growth. You're going to be mad at me because you done paid all this money for the sewing and your sewing keep growing out. But hair that's growing is a good problem to have, right? Yep, it sure is. So as you can see, she's shaking her hair. She's confident because her natural hair has been taken care of and her weave looks good. So let's get everybody else's wig ready for this birthday party dinner, and let's go hang out on South Beach. As the designated family hairstylist for decades, I've been doing hair for free for all family members and all holidays. Yeah, but I'd rather be the family hairstylist than a family cook, because Thanksgiving coming up and I will not be in the kitchen, okay? I will be in people's kitchens in their heads. So we're going to head to South Beach for a vibe, because Miss Thing says she wants to do her 21st birthday at her favorite restaurant. The same restaurant she did her birthday party at last year, which was Papi Steak. But Miami girls love Papi Steak, and we go here like all the time. But you can always depend on the food because it's good. The atmosphere is nice and sexy, and it's just a vibe. My girlfriend, that's me in my curly wig. It look cute. So Miss Thing is 21 now, so she is too excited to use her 21-year-old ID and order her own drink. And one thing about Papi Steak, they gonna make a presentation out of everything. So they gonna spray some perfume on her drink, and she loved it. It was a Coco Chanel drink, so good. And she was just eyeing all the drinks that she was gonna drink that night. And you know, of course, she a lightweight, so she couldn't handle more than 2. So we're just toasting it up and having a good time, getting our appetizers that we usually get. And Papi Steak restaurant be doing the most. Like, Papi is too much, but I'm gonna stick beside him because, like, who does this with a drink? When it comes to an experience, we gonna have it. Like, I'm one of those people that I will pay for a good time. I'm not really into material things, but if it's an experience, I will pay top dollar all the time, except $1,000, because you know Papi Steak is home of $1,000 steak, and yeah, I ain't never gonna do that. But I did get me a nice little skirt steak, and it was delicious, so soft and tender. And you know I had to get dessert because I'm a dessert girly. I want to order dessert first all the time, but I always be trying to hold and fight it back and order dessert at the end. But yeah, I'm gonna get dessert every single time. I don't care how full I am. And this chocolate cake, it did it for me. It satisfied me. It was so decadent, so rich, so chocolatey, and it was $30 for a slice of cake. Yeah, that was expensive. Birthday girl was so happy this night, and she was lit as well. And it's so crazy to see her reach this milestone age because I remember it like it was yesterday. I was in 10th grade, and I remember my mom called me on my little Nokia phone, and she was like, "Yes, sister, going into labor." And I was so mad that I had one more class before the school day ends. And I was telling my friends, like, my sister having her baby. And I was so happy to have my first little niece. And I cannot believe that was 21 years ago because I still feel 21. But you know, that's how it is. The kids get older and so do you. So we're just taking pictures because we're just girls, you know? I started growing and documenting her hair on Instagram when she was 16, and her hair has come so far. I am just so happy to be a part of her hair journey, and I'm so glad to be a part of all y'all hair journey as well. I love my curl friends, and I love y'all support. Thank you so much for supporting my business and supporting my channel. Please continue to vibe with us and follow us on this continuous long hair natural journey. Okay, all right, you guys, we had a great time at Papi Steak, where the poppies be. See you in the next video.